Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can view your old stories on Instagram. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Instagram app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. You will be redirected to the homepage of your account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and the profile page will open up. Next, tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner and select Archive from the menu. Now, all of your old stories will be displayed on your screen. If you can't see them here, then make sure that you are not in the post section from the top. Simply tap on the Stories feature and your old stories will be displayed. You can view your old stories by date or by tapping on the story itself. This feature allows you to revisit your past stories and relive those moments. So that's basically how you can view your old stories on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.